Hi guys, we have an unboxing from EveryPlate Meal. I received it today, this morning, and we will unbox this. What is inside in this box, guys? This is now what is inside. This is their meal. I received it today. Okay, so you can see it, guys. And that is. And what we received today is voila. Oh, I thought it's already cooked. I really did. We have a lot of ingredients, meaning I need to cook this. And we have a lot of ingredients. And no, I have also something here. Oh, recycled, clean and dry, set aside, recycled. Okay, this is the ice that will frozen so that will not be ruined the food. So we have different ground chicken, boneless. Do you have this? Do you have a chicken breast, call it? Do you have this chicken breast again? Well, I need to cook for this, and honestly speaking, I'm not really good in cooking, and I'm not cooking really here in the house. Most of the time we just buy some pizza, or I cook some meat patty only and corn, like that is. I'm surprised. No, wait, I thought it is already cooked. But thank you so much for this EveryPlate food, for this beautiful package that you give me. It is very good, complete my package, and it's delivered very safe and complete everything. Thank you so much, and God bless, guys. Bye bye.